In this video, I'm going to be going over and answering the question, does Hostinger accept PayPal as a form of payment? And if so, how to pay with PayPal on Hostinger. By the end of this video, you will know whether or not Hostinger accepts PayPal as a payment method. And if so, I'll walk you through the steps on how to pay with PayPal on Hostinger. I'll also be providing you with a Hostinger promo code so you can save some money on your Hostinger domain name and web hosting purchase. You'll get a web hosting discount and a free domain name on select annual plans that Hostinger offers. To take advantage of the Hostinger discount, just click the link in the description below and enter the promo code I provided next to the link at checkout. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I'll receive a commission from Hostinger at no extra cost to you. Plus, you'll get an awesome Hostinger discount. Let's get started with the Hostinger PayPal payment tutorial video. So does Hostinger accept PayPal as a form of payment? Yes, Hostinger does accept PayPal as a form of payment. Now let me show you how to pay for PayPal on Hostinger. During checkout, under the Select Payment option, you can choose to make a payment via PayPal. Once you're ready to check out, you can click the Submit Secure Payment button at the bottom of the checkout, and you will be taken to where you can input your PayPal information for payment. You can log into your PayPal account or create a PayPal account to proceed with your payment. That's all there is to it. I hope this Hostinger PayPal payment tutorial video helped you answer the question of whether Hostinger accepts PayPal as a form of payment. If you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more hosting video tutorials. Leave us a comment, we love hearing from you.